ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा स्वतः प्रामाण्यम। प्रामाण्यम मीन्स
Brahmatvam.
प्रमात्वम. सिद्धांति said that प्रामाण्यम स्वतः एव उत्पद्यते, स्वतः एव ज्ञायते, and it does not expect any adhikam gunam. Adhikam gunam tu na apekshate. According to Purva Paksha, in Pratyaksha Prama, what is that adhikam gunam?
Anumana.
In Pratyaksha Prama,
Anugata guna.
what is that anugata guna? According to Purva Paksha. Means Purva Pakshi will do anumanam, but what is the anugata guna that they expect? Bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsa. Bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsa is what they expect. So Siddhanti said that is not anugata guna in all prama. It may be there in Pratyaksha, but there also with Anvaya Vyatireka, there is Vyavichara. Therefore, Anumana, some people, what do they think? What is the guna? Sallinga
Paramasya.
Sallinga Paramasya. Api na anumityadi pramayam guna. So this is what we were seeing. Why? Because where there is asat linga like dhuli patala and vanni anumanam is done and vanni may be there. So from asat linga paramarsha also prama can come. Because prama means there is no vishaya bhada. Vishaya bhadena anumitya dehe pramatvat. Tika. Page number 161. Third line in Tika. Nanu. Brahmasyapi tadrisha samagri prayogyatva visheshat. Brahma prama vyavasthapakam kim iti ashanka nirasaya aha. Somebody says, Nayayika will ask questions because they or Bauddha, they believe in Parata Pramanyam. So they will say, if you do this kind of thinking, Brahmasyapi tadrisha samagri prayogyatva visheshat. Whatever samagri with which you say prama takes place, that same samagri, same karana, same aloka, prakasha, ityadi, similar vyapti, that Brahma Jnana also will take place through the same. So samagri prayogyatva bheda is not there, avisheshat. Brahma prama vyavasthapakam kim. What is that which will decide the bheda between Brahma and Prama? Iti ashanka nirasaya aha. Nacha evam apramapi pramasyat. So with this, aprama will not become Prama. Means in Bhranti, Prama Lakshana will not go. Jnana samanya samagriya avisheshat iti vachyam. अप्रमापि प्रमा स्यात् ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्र्या अविशेषात् इति न च वाच्यम. सिद्धांति will say. Why? Because there is a difference between Brahma and Prama. टीका प्रतिबंधकता अभावस्य कार्यमात्रं प्रति हेतुत्वेन क्लुप्ततया दोषाभावस्यापि तथात्वेन अंगीकारात्. प्रतिबंधकता अभाव इस कार्यमात्रं प्रति हेतु. प्राक प्रतिबंधका भावौ कार्य साधारणा स्मृता. सो प्राग अभाव फॉर कार्य उत्पत्ति and प्रतिबंधक अभाव for कार्य उत्पत्ति is required for any karya. Like Agnidaha, Agni is there, Dahana Shakti is there in Agni. But if there is Chandrakant Mani Vishishta Agni, can it produce Daha?
No.
No, because that Dahana Shakti is Pratibadhana. Pratibandhakata abhavasya karyamatram prati hetu. So here also for prama utpatti dosha abhava is required. Dosha bhavasyapi tathatvena angikarat. Tathatvena means hetutvena. So in Moolam it is given dosha bhavasyapi hetutva angikarat. Means dosha abhava is also required. Whatever jnana samagri is there, that jnana samagri can be same for Brahma and Prama. But for Brahma, additional thing is not needed. For Prama, additional thing is needed. What is that additional thing? Dosha abhava. So when dosha abhava is there, then only Prama will come. So then Purvapakshi will say, okay, then that is your guna. You were saying there is no guna. This is guna. This is something different from the Prama samagri. Nachayam gunatvena hetu. Pramana abhavat ityartha. This is not guna because actually this is the samagri part. This is not guna for swatah pramanya. This is guna for Prama only. Means this is minimum. This is not additional. Apasiddhantapattim ashankya nirasaya aha. So now apasiddhanta means somebody will think, oh, then your thing becomes paratah pramanyam. Nacha evam paratastvam iti vachyam. The Shanka Nirasa is done by Siddhanti. Just because of the dosha abhava, it is not parata pramanyam in our case. Adrishtadi sapekshatvat. Because agantuka iti. Adrishtadi apeksha is there. But आगंतुक भाव कारण अपेक्षायाम एवं परतस्त्वात्. आगंतुक भाव रूप कारण अपेक्षा if you have, then it will become parata pramanyam. If it becomes parata pramanyam, then we will have apasiddhanta apatti. Apasiddhanta apatti means if we follow parata pramanyam. Parata pramanyam will be there only if we accept agantuka bhava karana. But we are not saying any agantuka bhava karana. Adrisht, so the tika is doing padakritya of that. Adrishtadi sapekshatvat agantuka shabda is given. Dosha abhava sapekshatvat bhava is also given. Dosha bhava is already there. Dosha bhava will not make it parata pramanya because it is abhava rupa karana. Any bhava rupa karana, if it is there, आगंतुक and bhava rupa, तथा च आगंतुक भाव कारण अनपेक्ष ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री प्रयोज्यत्वं स्वतस्त्वम् इति अंगीकारेण तादृश कारण सहकृत ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री प्रयोज्यत्व रूप परतस्त्व आपातो नास्ति इति भावः. So paratastva will make it only if there is agantuka and bhavarupa, agantuka bhavarupa karana apeksha. But here to do vyavritti of adrishta, agantuka pada is given. Because the sadharan karana, they are always there. They are not called agantuka. Ishastadhyana yatnecha kalo
दृष्टं दिगेव प्राक् प्रथमः.
Kalo drishtam means adrishtam. So all of them are not agantuka. They all are always there. So by saying agantuka, adrishtadi vyavrittanam is done. That's what Tikakar says. Adrishta adi sapekshatvat. Drishta apeksha can be there. Like kala, desha, all of them are, that is not going to make it parata pramanya. Any agantuka vastu and bhava rupa vastu, dosha abhava apeksha is not going to make it parata pramanya. So therefore agantuka bhava karana anapeksha ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री प्रयोज्यत्वम is स्वतस्त्वम. That will make it स्वतः प्रामाण्यम इति अंगीकारेण तादृश कारण सहकृत ज्ञान, सच ज्ञान सहकृत और सच कारण सामग्री सहकृत ज्ञान, when it is there, ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री प्रयोज्यत्व रूप परतस्त्व आपातो नास्ति. Then with such ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री प्रयोज्यत्व रूप paratastva is not there. Tadrisha means like what you are saying, where agantuka bhava karana, we don't have agantuka bhava karana. And therefore paratastva apatti is nasti. Paratastva apataha is not there. So second number tippani on this one is just a pathantara. Jnana samanya samagri prayojatva is given in Tika. Tippanikar says jnanatva prayojaka prayojatva rupa. So instead of jnana samanya samagri prayojatva, jnanatva prayojaka prayojatva. This is a different part. सामान्य सामग्री is प्रयोजक, तत् प्रयोज्यत्व. पूर्व पृष्ठ 1 number टिप्पणी did we see on 161?
No, sir.
Okay. So there it is said ata eva. 1 number टिप्पणी is on ata eva. Atah means अन्वय व्यतिरेक व्यभिचाराभ्याम एव. अन्वय व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार, अन्वय व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार in the Pratyaksha, because bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha, even when there is bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha, you can have Brahma, like in Pita Shankha. And when bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha is not there, still there can be Prama, like Ayam Ghata. So there is Anvaya Vyatireka Vyabhichara. Anvaya Vyatireka Vyabhichara Bhyam eva. He gives another Anvaya Vyabhichara and Vyatireka Vyabhichara. Utpatti Kshana Avachinna Ghatadau Gandha Vyapya Prithvitvavan Ayam Iti Sallinga Paramarshe. This is in Anumana. Just as in Pratyaksha there is, because of Anvaya Vyatireka Vyabhichara, Anugata Guna was rejected for Swata Pramanyam. In the same way, for Anumanam also, because of Anvaya Vyatireka Vyabhichara, Anugata Guna is rejected. Anugata Guna is this, what he suggests as Paramarsha, Sallinga Paramarshadikam. Drishtanta for Anvaya Vyabhichara is Utpatti Kshanavachinna Ghatadau Gandha Vyapya Prithvitvavan Ayam. Gandha Vyapya Prithvitvavan Ayam. In Ghata, Gandha Vyapya Ghata will have Prithvitva.
Yes, sir.
So Prithvitvavan Ayam, can we say for Ghata?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And Prithvitva is Gandha Vyapya Prithvitva always. Yatra yatra Prithvitvam yatra yatra.
Prithvitvam tatra tatra gandha.
So
Yes.
wherever there is Prithvitva, there is Gandha. So Gandha Vyapya Prithvitva. Gandha ka Vyapya hoga Prithvitva. So that is there. It is Sallinga Paramarsha. Sallinga Paramarshe Sati Api Gandhavan Ayam. This Anumiti, will it be Prama or Aprama?
Brahma.
Not first Kshana.
Correct. It will be Gandhavan Ayam Ghataha will be Aprama. Why it will be Aprama?
Pratama Kshana, it is Nishkriya and Nirguna.
Utpatti, so that's why you read Utpatti Kshana Avachinna Ghatado. Utpatti Kshana Avachinna Ghata is Nirgunam Nishkriyam. So there is no Gandha Guna at that time. So even if you have such Paramarsha, it is Sallinga, there is Aprama in the Prathama Kshana. Apramatvat. This is Anvaya Vyabhichara. So that example that I gave of Dhuli Patala and Vanni Anumiti is given in Advaita Siddhi, it is not given here. And Vanniman Prameyatvat Ityadau Asallinga Paramarsha Sthale Vishayasya Vannehe Abadhena Vyatireka Vyabhicharat Ityartha. Vanniman, somebody makes this Anumanam. Vanniman Prameyatvat. What will be the Vyapti? Yatra yatra Prameyatvam. See, Vanniman is Sadhya. Prameyatvad is Hetu. They have not given Paksha, they have not given Drishtanta. So Yatra yatra Prameyatvam, Tatra tatra Vanni. This much the Anumanam, Vyapti. Yatra yatra Prameyatvam, Tatra tatra Vanni. So somebody says, Yatra yatra Prameyatvam, Tatra tatra Vanni, this is Asadlinga. I say yes. But where Vanni is there, Abadhitena, Asallinga Paramarsha Sthale, Vishayasya Vannehe, Abadena. In Vanni Vishaya Prametva is there.
Yes.
Yes.
And in Vanni also. So in Vanni, even though with Asat Linga Paramarsha, in Vanni you will find Prama. So this is Vyatireka Vyabichara. Vyatireka Vyabichara means what is there, what Karana and Karya.
Karana abhave karya sattvam.
Karana Bhave Karya Sattvam is Vyatireka Vyabichara. And Anvaya Vyabichara,
Karana sattve karya abhava.
Karana Sattva Karya Bhava. Okay. Now further, next page 162, Tika. Evam Pramanyasya Utpattau. So I am assuming you are getting the point of what is the topic, because this topic is very abstract. Swataha Pramanyam, Parataha Pramanyam. He clarifies it further. Main topic is giving, he just gave the introduction. It's a small topic only. Evam Pramanyasya Utpattau Swatastvam Abhidhaya Tasya Jnaptau Tad Avedayati. So in Pramanya, Swata Utpatti is there. Swatastvam. In Utpattau, Swatastvam Abhidhaya. Tasya Jnaptau Tad Avedayati. In Jnapti also there is Swatastvam. Avedayati means Nivedayati. He does Nivedana, means he makes a statement. Nyayate cha Pramanyam Swataha. So Pramanyam Swataha Nyayate cha. Pramanyam Swataha Utpadyate. Pramanyam Swataha Nyayate cha. Pramanyam means Pramatvam. Swataha means with that same samagri. So he explains now. Tika. Tadvati tat prakaraka jnanatva lakshana pramanyam utpannam saj jnayate cha swataha ityarthaha. So pramanyam is tadvati tat prakaraka jnanatvam. This lakshana of pramanyam utpannam saj jnayate cha. Its utpatti and jnapti is swataha only ityarthaha. Jnayate iti asya grihyate iti artham abhipretya. Jnayate means grihyate. Swato grahyatvam cha dosha bhave sati yavat swashraya grahaka samagri grahyatvam. Swato grahyatvam cha dosha bhave sati. Swato grahyatvam is dosha abhave sati yavat swashraya grahaka samagri grahyatvam. Dosha abhava and yavat swashraya grahaka samagri grahyatvam. Yavat means all. Swa ashraya. Swa means pramatvam. Some padakritya is done in the moolam itself. Tika, let us see. Paratastva vadina anumanadikam tadgrahakam angikritam atastad varanaya yavat iti swashraya grahaka visheshanam. By Paratastvavadi, Nyaya, Bauddha, etc. Paratastvavadina anumanadikam tadgrahakam angikritam. Anumanadikam tadgrahakam. Tadgrahakam means प्रामाण्य ग्राहकम अंगीकृतम अतः तद्वारणाय. So they have accepted अनुमानादिकम as pramanya grahakam. So pratyaksha something will happen, then they will do anumanam. If that anumanam works, then they say, now there is pramanya. Tadvaranaya, to eliminate that, yavat iti. This is the visheshana given for swashraya grahaka. Yavad iti swashraya grahaka visheshanam. यावत् स्वाश्रय ग्राहक सामग्री ग्राह्यत्वम. यावत् स्वाश्रय ग्राहक सामग्री जन्य ग्रहण गोचरत्वम तैर न अंगीक्रियते इत्यर्थः. They don't say यावत् स्वाश्रय ग्राहक सामग्री जन्य ग्रहण गोचरत्वम. The परतस्ववादी. Yavat means all, as much is there. All of those. All of what? Yavat swashraya grahaka samagri grahyatvam. All swashraya. Swa means pramatvam. Pramatvam means pramanyam. You say pramanyam or pramatvam. Its ashraya, swa ashraya will be vritti jnanam. Swa ashraya is vritti jnanam. Tad grahakam. Tad grahakam is sakshi jnanam. Vritti jnanam. See, pramatvam or pramanyam will be in that vritti jnanam. So, pramatva ashraya will be prama. That vritti jnanam whose grahaka is sakshi. Sakshi pramanyam. Tad grahakam. Sakshi jnanam. Tena api pramanyam grihyate. Tena, by that, vritti jnane grihyamane tadgatam pramanyam grihyate. By that, vritti jnana and its grahaka, sakshi. So here, Tippanikar, he has given 1 number Tippani. Swashraya vritti jnanam tad grahakam sakshi jnanam. There Tippanikar says, sakshi jnanam iti pramatra chaitanyam ityarthaha. Tena api means pramatra chaitanyena api. But in Moolakar has given sakshi jnanam. In other words, the chaitanyam is what is the grahakam. Tad grahakam sakshi jnanam. So swashraya grahaka tenapi vritti jnane grihyamane tadgatam pramanyam. Sakshi will know the vritti jnanam. Sakshi will also know its pramanyam. So because Sakshi knows its pramanyam, Sakshi is there all the time. In each prama, you have Sakshi illumining prama and Sakshi will illumine pramanyam also. So each prama will have pramanyam. This is called swata prama. Like I know this pata through Chakshurindriya. So vritti jnanam is there vritti jnanam illumines pata. Sakshi illumines vritti jnanam. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Sakshi will also illumine pramatvam in vritti jnanam. You don't need any additional thing. So then the question will be, in Rajju, if I see Sarpa, who illumines it?
Sakshi.
Sakshi only.
So then Sakshi should give Pramatvam also there. Sakshi will illumine Pramatvam. So what is the wrong thing in this statement? What is the error?
Dosha abhava should be there.
It should be dosha abhave sati. Not every jnanam is prama, because if there is dosha, then it is not prama. Okay. So doshavashat apramanya nishchaye samshaye cha sati avyapti varanaya dosha bhave sati. If doshavashat apramanya nishchaya or samshaya, because if there is dosha, there is apramanyam or there is a... See, apramanya nishchaya can be there or apramanya samshaya can be there. So there is avyapti in the lakshana. Because according to you, every time it should be there. So we say no, it should be dosha abhave sati. So if dosha is there, there is no pramatva. If dosha is there, there will be prama samshaya also. Then also there is no pramatva. तथा च दोषवशात् तादृश सामग्र्या तद्ग्रहे अपि न दोष इति भावः. दोषवशात् same samagri is there, but pramatva grahanam will not happen, because lakshana will not go in this. Dosha bhave sati swashraya grahaka samagri grahyatva. Swashraya ityadi upapatayati. What is swashraya? Swashraya means pramatva ashraya vritti jnanam. And therefore, tenapi natu anumanena eva. So you don't need anumanam, because that vritti, which is the ashraya of pramatvam, will be in that vritti, jnana vritti only. It will not be in some other anuman. सत्यंत पद कृत्यम आशंक्य दर्शयति. Satyanta Padakrityam. Can you hear me clearly or there is noise?
Clear, Swamiji.
Satyanta Padakrityam Ashankya. Satyanta Pada is dosha bhave sati. That is Satyanta Pada. Ashankya darshayati. What is the Shanka? Nacha evam pramanya samshaya anupapatti. Purvapakshi says then every time everything should have prama only. There is no scope for any doubt. Nacha evam pramanya samshaya anupapatti. Pramanya samshaya will not happen is not true. Means pramanya samshaya can happen. See, otherwise you see mirage water and you will never have doubt whether it is water or not there. Why? Because swata pramanyam. Every time there is prama, immediately there will be pramatvam. And you still don't know whether there is dosha or not. He says, tatra samshayanurodhena doshasyapi satvena. He said, if there is a samshaya, that means there is dosha. If dosha is present, doshasyapi satvena, dosha abhava ghatita swashraya grahaka abhavena, tatra pramanyasya eva agrahat. So it is dosha abhava ghatita swashraya grahaka is not there. It's abhava. Because it is dosha sahita, not dosha abhava ghatita swashraya grahaka. So tadabhavena tatra pramanyasya eva agrahat. Pramanya grahanam itself will not happen in that case. Okay. Up to this we will keep. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.